I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the hardware. Make sure the Beats Flex is turned off or idle so charging is efficient. Identify the charging port on the right earbud and remove any lint or dust. This ensures a clean connection. Next, plug the supplied USB-C cable into a 5V/1A or higher USB charger. This balances speed and safety. Once connected, you should see the LED indicator respond. That confirms power flow and lets you move to the steady charging phase. Once charging has started, monitor the LED for status. Amber typically means charging while green indicates full. Keep the headphones in a cool, ventilated spot. Batteries charge best at room temperature, and heat slows or harms performance. If you need a faster, more consistent charge, plug into a wall adapter rather than a laptop USB port because wall power provides steadier current. Make sure to let the device charge uninterrupted for at least 10 to 15 minutes before testing power on for accurate battery readings. To finish, unplug the cable when the LED turns green. Frequent overcharge isn't necessary, and you should avoid leaving it on charge for days. If the LED never lights, try swapping the cable or charger and gently clean the port with compressed air. Contacts can be obstructed. If you still have problems after a successful charge, reset the Beats Flex to resolve pairing or firmware glitches. This often restores normal operation. Finally, test audio and battery reporting before relying on them for long use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.